So for a while now, I've been thinking it would be good to have a Lightbox, because you may have seen some of the shorts I've been making. And it would be nice to have a nice white area with no shadows off the ceiling or anything. And where I could just work in a confined space and make a nice video. And also some product photography, let's say for eBay or something. So I've had a look around, and the Lightboxes are either cheap and small, cheap and nasty, or large and really quite expensive. So today I'm going to make my own. So let's see how we get on.
Dadskillz, dadskills, dadskills, dadskills.
So I managed to find myself the biggest, strongest box I could find. And then where the opening was at the top, I cut all the flaps off. Then I got myself some of this stuff, some of this whiteboard, stick-on whiteboard stuff off Amazon. I got 2 sheets of that and started sticking it on. And hopefully this will give me the reflective qualities I want, as well as a nice white neutral background for taking pictures of things and doing shorts with.
That's right.
So this one went on and started going off to one side a bit. So I pulled it off and started again, and luckily this one worked out a lot better. And then I developed a method of actually putting it on. Like this, you pull the backing off, and as you do, you flatten the nice white stuff down. So this time I decided to go all the way to the end. Cut it off a bit longer than I needed, and then I can turn those edges over. I also stuck it to the protective tablecloth, which was good. There we go, the box is starting to form. Now needs to the back and top. My pulling method again. Started to crease at the bottom there, so I just smoothed that out and got that a bit better. Right, top going on. Unstick it from the tablecloth, protective tablecloth. Turn all the sides over. And then I've got to find a way to hold it together, because I want it to be collapsible. So when I'm not using it, there we go, look, some Velcro. So when I'm not using it, I want to be able to put it away, and it needs to be out of the way when it's down. So one side of the Velcro I'll stick onto around the corners and stuff, and then the other length of Velcro there will hold it all together. So that's cool. So now we've got a box, collapsible box that I can put up and take down within minutes and store it away easily. You see I've got that piece of Velcro there at the top. That's to hold on backgrounds. Things, different colour backgrounds. so you don't see that crease at the bottom. That's the reason for that. And then this is where I'm gonna stick my round light that I've got. So this will be my light from above. And then I'm gonna drill a hole through that light, through the center. And that's where I can aim a camera if I'm actually doing a short or some overhead filming. So that's it all going together with the lighting. So far so good. So now I drill the hole, and I used hole saw with the drill because I thought it would be easier and tidier, and it did turn out that way. I've got a small enough hole that I can place my phone over it that I do most of my recording with. Putting it all back together, and now we'll have a trial run. You see how easy it is to put back together. So then I've got various backdrops I can put in there, and all I'm going to do for this one is just put a white one in there. The reason for a backdrop is just so you don't see that crease in that bottom corner. So there's the camera looking down through the hole, and I've got all sorts of various lights I can use, and it's looking good already. So we're all set, loads of lights, loads of different options, so I had a play. So the first thing I did was take a picture of some things I'd lying around the house, then I made a short, and I'll link that short above, and that turned out really well. And then the final thing I did was I bought a A1 art portfolio carry case, and I can put it all in there and put it away nice and safe, nice and tidy. Cheers for watching.